All right, today I'm going to talk about 3.6, which is three variable systems. What I want you to bring to me in class is I want you to bring me the list of steps that you have to go through. So bring me a list of the steps. I'm going to put them all down during this video so you will get them through the video. You need to turn in as an assignment the list of steps. Okay, so three variable systems. You guys have done systems of equations before that look like this right here. And we combined them using elimination. So probably on this one I would add the two rows down so that my y's canceled out and use elimination. So you learned a couple different ways to do it. Substitution, elimination. We talked about graphing a little bit. We didn't want to use graphing. We're definitely not going to use graphing on three variable ones. If you notice, there's only two variables here. We're going to use elimination. It's going to be very similar to this, but there's going to be more steps. So what's going to happen on the ones today, I'll do this one really fast. You're going to add down. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. 3y plus negative 3y is 0. 6 plus 14 is 20. Divide by 5. And as soon as you get your x value, you can plug that back in to either one of the equations to figure out the y value. Whoops, I should say plus, not equals. And remember that we're looking for a point. So the point here would be 4 negative 2/3. And that's your answer, okay? So today we're going to be doing three variables. So three variables would look like this. So three variables are going to have three equations. And I said I want you to turn in the different steps for solving these. So your first step, step 1, combine two equations. To eliminate a variable. I get to pick which equations and I get to pick which variable. So I'm going to combine two equations to eliminate a variable. I'm going to try to grab a better marker right now. That one's kind of going out. For me, I'm going to combine the first one and the last one. And I'm going to eliminate the z. In order to eliminate the z, they need to match, so I'm going to have to multiply this first equation by 5. So that's going to give me 115x plus 40y plus 5z equals 900. That can't be right. 4 is 200. 700, just kidding, 700. Okay, so now I'm going to combine these two right here. I'm going to subtract so that the z's cancel out. I'm going to subtract up just so that I have positive values. So really what I'm doing is 115x minus x, which is 114x. 40y minus 3y, which is going to be 37y. 5z minus 5z, which is 0. And 700 minus 19, which is going to be 681. I could have subtracted down, but all of everything down here would have been negative. In order to keep that from happening, I subtracted up. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2, combine two equations to eliminate. Here's the important part, the same variable. When I say the same variable, I mean the same variable that we just eliminated. So since we eliminated z on this last one, we're gonna have to eliminate z on this next one, okay? So we combined the first one and the last one, which means we can't pick those two. So this time I'm gonna combine the first one and the second one. I'm gonna have the same problem that I had before where my z's don't match. So in order to get them to match, I'm gonna multiply this top row by 3. I'm just gonna multiply everything in there by 3. You guys think I'm crazy? I'm making a video right now. 24y plus 3z equals 20. Okay, same thing that I did on the last one. I'm going to subtract up so that my values stay positive. So 69x minus 8x is going to be 61x. 24y minus 18y is going to be 6y. 3z minus 3z is going to cancel out. 420 minus 97 is going to be 323. Now step 3. Combine your two new equations to eliminate a variable. So I'm going to combine my two new equations, which is this one right here and this one that I got on the other page. So 114x plus 37y equals 681. 61x plus 6y equals 323. And because the bell rang, I'm going to have to finish this on a second video. So there will be a second video right under this one.